The early bird catches the worm. Rana ptica uhvati crva.
Ko rano rani dve sreće grabi.
He who rises early catches double luck.